Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys who watch my videos have told me कि why don't you make videos in Hindi? Okay, let's do this video in Hindi and English. Like normally जैसे बात करते हैं. तो I don't know, like although I do speak Hindi when I make videos, पता नहीं क्यों but इंग्लिश ही निकलता है यार, मैं बोल नहीं पाती हूँ. But कोई बात नहीं, let's do something different and yeah, let's get into the video. What's up guys, how have you guys been? I know I haven't posted for so long and I keep telling that, you know what, I'm gonna post, I'm gonna be consistent, but somehow I just can't. But this time I have everything on track. I have, scheduled stuff. Hopefully you will see a lot more of me. Hindi. Yeah. This is like a hydrating gel, तो आप ये लगा सकते हैं and like this is very light, तो उतना मतलब it's almost like a serum and it feels like so cool. So this one is a moisturizer by Plum Green Tea. Like if you have oily skin, I do not have an oily skin. I have like more like normal skin. It's neither oily nor dry. So if you have oily skin or like normal skin, you can use this. Plum. It's a facial oil. So you can put facial oil after moisturizer. Although if it's a serum, you put it before the moisturizer. Moving on to the primer. I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up. ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा प्राइमर है and ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं है, तो अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो it's a good primer, especially if you have like open pores, those sort of skin issues, या फिर normally भी यार it's really nice. So अच्छा, since this is everyday makeup routine, तो जो मैं करती हूँ I will usually just put concealer, but you know what, मैंने ये लिया था कुछ months पहले. This is a Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. कभी यूज़ ही नहीं किया. तो also guys, like what are the kind of videos that आप देखना चाहोगे on my channel? Anything that's related to makeup, fashion, या फिर even lifestyle like vlog वगैरह. What do you want to see? Because I want to stay consistent, but then I just, wow, I'm looking like a clown. Blend this in और फिर देखते हैं if it works. ऐसे तो blend हो गया है, but it's just a tint, तो वैसे भी I shouldn't expect any coverage. It's fine, it's good. So for concealer, हाथ में या फिर if you have a palette then उसमें तो फिर हाथ में first you like take the concealer and especially if you're using two colors, you can just mix both and उससे ना बहुत ही like seamless look आता है and what and like then you warm it up, if you know what I mean. And then I'm taking like my shade, so this is like a darker shade. तो इससे क्या होता है कि whatever dark circles या फिर pigmentation जो है वो hide हो जाता है. तो instead of like एक पहले darker concealer और फिर lighter concealer and then every day, right? तो if you know me, I'm always late. Save time and I'm sure like everyone is in a rush, right? So what you can do is like just mix the both on your hand. तो ये वाला जो concealer था ना पहले वाला, this one is from Swiss Beauty, but this is like dark, okay, and it has this orange tint in it. So I use that for color correction, like everyday orange color corrector use करना है. Then I use Fit Me वाला concealer and then उसको mix कर दिया. ऐसे just warm it up on your hand and you can either like just stab and like when you're doing this, you're warming up the product and इससे क्या होता है, patchiness वगैरह नहीं होगा. and it'll look just like your skin. You can then just blend it ऐसे. Anyway, और बताओ, like, is this the first time you're watching me या फिर you watched my previous videos? And अगर you've watched my previous videos, subscribe कर दो please. And yeah, I really love doing this, and the only way that कि हाँ you guys are liking it is when you subscribe and like. तो please कर दो. Anyway, so you see how nicely it's blended. As I was saying कि usually I don't put that tint, सिर्फ concealer ही लगाते हैं. And तो क्या करते हैं कि अगर ये डार्क हो गया ज़्यादा तो एक लाइटर कंसीलर लेता है और ऐसे बस like wherever you want to brighten it up और बस blend it. You see, like, better, it's better. Also मैंने बस recently room, like entire मेरा पूरा घर paint करवाया था. तो if you can see the background, it's not those वो wall वाला नहीं है. I am filming room makeover video. तो like that's long due because कब से I have waited to film that video, but होता ही नहीं था. I was just not very happy with my room. I'm like still in the process of filming that and also doing like बहुत कुछ बाकी है, अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. तो सिर्फ पेंटिंग हुआ है. I have moved in my furnitures and everything, but like the main decoration वाला part तो हुआ नहीं है, तो वो करना बाकी है. Okay, तो ये हो गया है. उसके बाद blush के लिए I'm using water fit tint. तो this is also really nice. अगर आप beginner हो तो you can use this. ये easy है और बहुत ही मतलब that blush from within types लगता है. कोई भी compact powder लेना है and just tap. No, ऐसे नहीं करना है. I mean ऐसे हम करते आए हैं, but I learned a new technique. तो just like we warmed up the product here, अगर आप ब्रश यूज़ करें तो ब्रश को अच्छे से यहाँ पे पहले करेंगे और फिर अगर स्पंज यूज़ करते हैं तो वो भी ऐसे अच्छे से उसको स्मूदन अप कर देता है. एंड देन जस्ट टैप. भी क्या होगा कि आप जैसे ही पाउडर लगाते हो तो वो it becomes really patchy. तो this helps with that. It doesn't become patchy. And कि blush को if you're using like a tint या फिर cream blush, तो एक powder blush से you can just lock that in. So for everyday this is really nice. 3 आते हैं, blush, highlighter, contour सब एक साथ ही आ जाता है. तो like if you're a beginner and even for like everyday makeup बहुत easy हो जाता है because like you have everything all in one palette, so you don't have to you get it. तो everyday के लिए honestly उतना time नहीं होता है कि choose one eye shadow. This is what I do. Just take the contour shade और उसको eyelids में बस ऐसा. Looks so good without ज़्यादा मेहनत. अगर आपको फिर भी you want a little bit of that pinky, then just take the blush and उसको ऐसे बस done. Okay. तो मूविंग ऑन टू द आईब्राउज. ऐसे तो मैं हर रोज़ आईब्राउज नहीं करती हूँ, बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ दिस वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो लाइक इफ यू आर समवन हु डज आईब्राउज डेली, लेट्स डू इट. बिना मिरर के ही करने चली थी. देन आई एम गोना टेक माई स्पूली एंड जस्ट ब्रश इट. वेरी वेरी सिंपल. Again, if you want to go with a liner, go. Again, I don't do this every day. Concealer लगा के mascara लगा लो, lip lip gloss, lipstick, जो भी है, that's it, I'm out the door. But like if you're someone who likes doing that one little extra step, या फिर you know you want to look थोड़ा सा decked up, तो ठीक है. I mean you can, you can't, कुछ भी ज़रूरी नहीं है. पर इसको बहुत ही like you know smudge कर रही हूँ मैं, so that you know वो harsh lines ना रहे and it looks pretty too. आप चाहो तो eyeliner भी लगा सकते हो उसके ऊपर, but I'm not gonna do that because this I might still do it, but eyeliner for everyday, no, I won't do it. But again, अगर आप, if you're someone who cannot do without eyeliner, तो go for it. So now before I continue, setting spray. Makeup के बीच में if you keep you know setting your makeup, trust me, आप कुछ भी कर लो, ये makeup नहीं उतरने वाला. Okay, then one of the last step, mascara, and this mascara is so nice कि अगर आप ये लगा लो ना तो it literally looks like you have falsies on. I mean name भी है वही, the falsies lash lift. Just this instant change in my face, wow. वो question है ना कि if you have to go to this island for your entire life, what would be that one thing that you would take with you? Like makeup thing, I would take mascara. I love mascara so much. See, it's so good. So for everyday, I love using this Lakme 95 weightless matte mousse. This is in the shade Cocoa Soft, and this shade is so good. This is like the perfect nude shade, and you know like for everyday. And you can also like use this as cheek tint, which is again 2-in-1 product. So you know अगर आप beginner हो तो this is a very good product to invest in. To top that lipstick off, I love. I mean I don't know since when I've been using this Nykaa Bomb. This is the shade Bombay, and I love this shade. ये ना किसी भी लिपस्टिक के ऊपर लगा लो, it just makes the lip color amazing. It's done. अच्छा ये वीडियो ऑलमोस्ट एंड होने को है. I just wanted to ask कि you know I love cooking as well. अगर आपको नहीं पता था तो अगर आप मुझे जानते तो you know that how much I love cooking. But if you don't, yeah, that's something that I love. I love experimenting with food dishes. So let me know if I should like you know put up food related content as well. Would you like to watch it? And by the way, if you've reached this point of this video, like you're still watching it, thank you so much. Means a lot. I just ये डन है तो मैंने बस सेटिंग स्प्रे से इसको एक बार और लास्ट पूरा सेट करना है, and that's it. You're done, ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Struggle